Mena, a name synonymous with reality TV drama, is no stranger to controversy. From her iconic presence on Love and hip-hop to her high-profile relationships, Erica has mastered the art of keeping the spotlight firmly on her. But what's the real story behind her latest explosive rant? Fans were left stunned as the model, actress, and influencer took to social media to share her unfiltered thoughts about her experience on OnlyFans. And let me tell you, Erica did not mince her words. Her dive into OnlyFans initially seemed like a natural extension of her career. With her stunning looks and massive following, the platform offered a way to monetize her brand like never before. But behind the glamorous facade lies a tale of frustration, betrayal, and the challenges of navigating a controversial platform. What made her decide to go public with her grievances? That's what we're uncovering today. In this video, we'll break down Erica's rant, the reasons behind her outburst, and the broader implications it holds for influencers in the OnlyFans space. From outrageous claims to hard truths, get ready for an in-depth analysis that reveals more than meets the eye. Erica's rant wasn't just a passing comment. It was a full-blown tirade. In a series of posts and videos, she called out the platform for its lack of transparency, the exploitation of creators, and the unrealistic expectations set by fans. "I'm tired of pretending it's all perfect," she exclaimed, her voice filled with raw emotion. Erica pulled back the curtain on the pressures creators face, painting a vivid picture of what goes on behind the scenes. She slammed the stigma surrounding OnlyFans, saying it's unfair how people judge women who use the platform while turning a blind eye to the double standards in society. Erica questioned why her decisions, her career moves, are so heavily scrutinized when she's simply taking control of her narrative. This unapologetic stance sparked a massive online debate, with opinions divided across the board. Her most explosive claim? That the platform's algorithm favors a specific type of content and creator, leaving others struggling to gain visibility. This revelation, if true, could have major implications for the way people view and use OnlyFans. To understand Erica's frustration, we need to rewind a bit. When Erica joined OnlyFans, she was hailed as one of the top celebrities to embrace the platform. But what started as a lucrative opportunity quickly became a source of stress. The constant demand for content, the trolls, and the unrealistic fan expectations began taking their toll. In one of her videos, Erica revealed how fans would bombard her with inappropriate requests and then lash out if she didn't comply. "It's like they forget I'm human," she said, visibly exasperated. For her, the platform became less about empowerment and more about appeasing a demanding audience. Then, there's the financial aspect. While OnlyFans boasts success stories of creators earning millions, Erica claimed that for most people, the reality is far less glamorous. Between platform fees, taxes, and other expenses, the actual earnings can be underwhelming. So, was Erica's rant a wake-up call for others, or was it a reflection of personal discontent? As Erica's rant went viral, social media exploded with reactions. Some fans applauded her for speaking out, praising her bravery in addressing issues that many creators face but are too afraid to vocalize. "Finally, someone is telling it like it is," wrote one supporter. Erica's transparency resonated with those who felt the platform needed a reality check. But not everyone was on her side. Critics accused her of hypocrisy, pointing out that she willingly joined the platform and profited from it before turning against it. Others argued that Erica's grievances stemmed more from personal dissatisfaction than systemic problems within OnlyFans. The backlash wasn't limited to fans. Fellow OnlyFans creators chimed in, with some echoing Erica's concerns while others dismissed her as out of touch with the realities of the platform. This clash of perspectives fueled even more debate, making Erica's rant a trending topic across platforms. One glaring aspect of this controversy is the silence from OnlyFans itself. Despite the uproar, the platform has yet to address Erica's claims directly. This silence has left many wondering if the company is deliberately avoiding the topic or if it's simply a case of ignoring bad publicity until it fades away. For Erica, this lack of response is a slap in the face. "They don't care about us as creators," she declared, accusing OnlyFans of prioritizing profits over the well-being of its users. This statement has led to renewed calls for greater accountability and transparency from the platform. However, it's worth noting that OnlyFans has faced similar criticisms in the past. From issues with payment processing to abrupt policy changes, the platform's reputation has been anything but smooth. Erica's rant may just be the tipping point for a broader conversation about its future. Erica's rant also highlighted the double standards that women in the entertainment industry face. While male celebrities are often celebrated for their business ventures, women are criticized for theirs, especially when it involves platforms like OnlyFans. Erica called out this hypocrisy, asking why her choices are any different from other business ventures. This part of her message struck a chord with many, particularly women who faced similar judgment in their careers. Erica's words served as a reminder of the societal pressures that still exist, even in 2025. The question now is, will her rant spark meaningful change, or will it be just another viral moment in an endless cycle of online drama? Beyond the controversy and criticism, Erica's rant revealed a deeper emotional toll. She spoke about feeling trapped by the expectations placed on her, not just as a creator, but as a public figure. "It's like no matter what I do, someone always has something negative to say," she admitted. This vulnerability added a new dimension to the conversation. For fans, it was a stark reminder that public figures are human too, with their own struggles and insecurities. For Erica, it was a cathartic moment, a chance to reclaim her narrative and remind the world that she's more than just a headline. Erica's experience serves as a cautionary tale for aspiring OnlyFans creators. While the platform offers lucrative opportunities, it's not without its challenges. Erica's story highlights the importance of setting boundaries, managing expectations, and understanding the realities of online fame. For those considering joining OnlyFans, Erica's rant is a must-watch. It's a raw, unfiltered look at the highs and lows of the platform, offering valuable insights that go beyond the glamorous success stories often showcased online. As the dust settles, many are wondering what's next for Erica. Will she leave OnlyFans altogether? Or will she use this moment to spark change within the platform? Erica's fans are eagerly awaiting her next move, and if history is any indication, she won't be backing down anytime soon. This controversy has only added to Erica's complex legacy. Love her or hate her, there's no denying that she's a force to be reckoned with. A woman unafraid to speak her mind, no matter the consequences. Erica's rant is more than just a personal outburst. It's a reflection of larger issues within social media and influencer culture. From the pressures of constant content creation to the exploitation of creators, her story is a wake-up call for an industry that often prioritizes profits over people. As viewers, we have a role to play too. Supporting creators means more than just consuming their content. It means respecting their boundaries and recognizing their humanity. Erica's rant may have been controversial, but it has sparked a conversation that's long overdue. What are your thoughts on Erica Mena's OnlyFans rant? Do you think she raised valid points, or was it just another social media drama? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unfiltered takes on the latest celebrity news.